Hey everyone, this is Anupama Pradeepan. I'm the project lead of CSTERC Women Astropreneurs Collective or CWAPC. We are based in Coimbatore, TamilNadu, India. And CWAPC is a program where we work with first generation women graduates and support them with technical training, leadership development, and entrepreneurial mentoring so that they can work or they can participate meaningfully and sustainably in the astronomy and space science ecosystem. So today I'll be taking you through the last 1 year journey of CWAPC. The problem at hand is that even though more women are pursuing higher education today, this is not translating into employment and economic independence. In India, there is a 50% employability gender gap still now, and women's representation in technical and manufacturing sector also remains very low. And our team at CSTEC has been working in the science education and outreach for many years now. And it's very obvious that there is no shortage of interest among girls and women in engaging and participating in STEM. But what is missing are long term opportunities, safe spaces, and continuous support. And most outreach programs are short, like they inspire for a few days. Of course, they create impact and then they end. Very rarely do they lead to like lasting confidence or constant skill development or sustainable careers. So we kept asking ourselves like what happens after the session was over, once the workshop is over, and how do we make learning meaningful in the long run. And that is how CWAPC was born. Our main objective was to enable first generation women graduates to gain technical, leadership, and entrepreneurial skills through astronomy, leading to like sustainable participation and specifically income generating opportunities. And we worked with 20 first generation women graduates who were interested in science and skill based careers. Our participants came with many challenges like financial pressures, family responsibilities, mobility restrictions, and limited exposure to technical spaces. In the first 6 months, we focused on the building a strong technical foundation. Participants learned optics, telescope making, metal fabrication, machinery handling, and sky observation included. In the second phase, we shifted towards entrepreneurship or astropreneurship to be specific. We conducted business boot camps, leadership and communication session, and introduced AI tools for research and branding. And this helped participants present themselves professionally in a much better way to give the venture pitches. And we also gave them a choice. Like after 6 months, participants could decide whether they wanted to like continue into entrepreneurship. Like initially we were a bit hesitant about it, but it turned out to be one of the strongest part of the program design. When people choose for themselves, their commitment becomes much stronger. And we supported this journey with regular feedback, assessments, and mentoring. Continuous evaluation process was in place, and here are the SDGs that are connected with the project. The results are really inspiring and encouraging. All 20 participants completed the technical training. 8 chose to continue into the entrepreneurship path, and 4 active micro enterprises are now running. 2 more micro enterprises in the stage, and these include like astronomy content platforms, mental health and science communication pages, accessory brands, resin art ventures, and all. The last 3 months, these initiatives have generated around 43,600 rupees through majorly through product sales and content creation. And some of the content platforms have also reached view counts of up to like 400,000, 300,000 with an average view of 30,000. Of course, these numbers may be modest, but for first generation women starting from zero, like they represent real progress towards financial confidence and independence. And there were definitely challenges, like many participants were initially afraid to engage, speak in public. Half of the participants are first time coming to a city for the first time in their life. So there were a lot of like initial hesitation. Many were hesitant to operate machines, and astronomy also as a subject also or as a career also felt very unreachable. Business felt intimidating, dealing with money felt intimidating, and we also lost like some very potential participants in between the program, like they discontinued due to family restrictions. And so these realities are part of the ecosystem that we are working in, but they also taught us how to improve what all has to be done to like foolproof the system. And for the next cohort, we are focusing on smaller groups, wider outreach, family engagement wherever necessary, hybrid learning models, and stronger mentorship. We're also building more partnerships and linking our work with schools and astrotourism initiatives. WPC has shown us that astronomy outreach can be much more than outreach. We wanted to show this through this project that astronomy can be a tool for confidence, leadership, and definitely a very powerful tool for sustainable livelihood. These are our team members. At CSTERC, we also focus on telescope innovation. One of our key development is the Hexon series, as you're seeing on the picture. It's an indigenous and modular telescope design developed by our team. And this strengthens our ecosystem by connecting training, innovation, and real world application. On a personal note, watching these girls grow in the skills, in the confidence, and in the way they see themselves despite all the obstacles they have been facing in life has been one of the proudest moments of this whole journey. And being able to play even a small role in that growth gives me personally and the whole team immense pride, and we are extremely thankful for IAUAD, Office of Astronomy for Development, for acknowledging the potential of this particular project, the project being a niche in itself, and for the constant support that they have provided for the last 1 year, continuous support, and our partner organizations, Open Space Foundation, Regional Science Center, Coimbatore, our partners, mentors, participants, and well-wishers who made this journey possible. So, thank you.